Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Scholarship Guidebook. If you've ever dreamed of pursuing your education abroad but are worried about the cost or the language requirements, you are in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into a game-changing topic, fully funded scholarships without IELTS for 2025. We'll break down everything you need to know to make your international education dreams a reality. So, if you're ready to unlock amazing opportunities and get one step closer to studying abroad, make sure to watch until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates and tips. Let's get started. The SIIT Scholarships 2025 in Thailand offer a fantastic opportunity for international students to pursue master's and PhD degrees at the prestigious Sirindhorn International Institute of Technology. With 40 scholarships available, this program covers full tuition and provides an excellent platform for advanced studies. The scholarship does not require an application fee or IELTS scores, making it an accessible option for many. The deadline to apply is September 30, 2024, for programs starting in January 2025. Click more details to find all the essential information about the SIIT Scholarships 2025 in Thailand. You'll get a clear summary, details on coverage, the courses available, eligibility criteria, required documents, and the application deadline. Plus, we've included a video tutorial to help you with the online application process. If you spot a scholarship that interests you, just click more details to learn more and apply. Next is the Singapore International Graduate Award, SINGA. 2025 provides an exceptional opportunity for students to pursue a PhD at a STAR in Singapore. With over 900 scholarships available, this program offers full funding for a 4-year study period. The application process is straightforward, with no application fee and no IELTS requirement. For those interested in starting their studies in August 2025, the deadline to apply is December 1, 2024. Next is, the Doha Institute Graduate Scholarship 2025 in Qatar offers a fully funded opportunity for master's and PhD studies at Doha University. With no application fee and no IELTS requirement, this scholarship covers all expenses for a 2-year master's program or a 3 to 4-year PhD program. The application deadline is January 15, 2025. On 4th, the Central European University Scholarships 2025 in Hungary provide a fully funded opportunity for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. With no IELTS requirement, this scholarship covers all expenses, although there is a €30 application fee. The degree durations are 4 years for bachelor's, 2 years for master's, MPhil, and 3 years for PhD programs. Apply by February 4, 2025. To seize this exceptional chance for higher education. 5th fully funded scholarship is the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme 2025 offers 300 fully funded scholarships for PhD studies at top universities in Hong Kong. This prestigious scheme covers all expenses, with no application fee and no IELTS requirement. PhD programs span 3 to 4 years, and the application deadline is December 1, 2024. On 6th we have, the King Saud University Scholarships 2025 in Saudi Arabia offer fully funded opportunities for diploma, bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. This comprehensive scholarship covers all expenses and requires no application fee or IELTS scores. The duration varies by degree, 1 to 2 years for diplomas, 4 years for bachelor's, 2 years for master's, and 3 to 4 years for PhD programs. Applications must be submitted by September 18, 2024. Next is, the JIST Scholarship 2025 in South Korea offers 300 fully funded scholarships for master's, PhD, and integrated MS-PhD programs at the Gwangju Institute of Science and Technology. This prestigious scholarship covers all expenses and does not require an application fee or IELTS scores. The duration is 2 years for a master's, 4 years for a PhD, and 5 years for the integrated MS-PhD program. The application deadline is October 15, 2024. The Scotland Scholarship 2024 for Pakistani students, provided by the Government of Scotland, offers fully funded opportunities for bachelor's and master's, MPhil degrees. This scholarship covers all expenses and requires no application fee or IELTS scores. The duration is 4 years for bachelor's programs and 2 years for master's, MPhil programs. Applications are due by September 30, 2024. The KAIST Graduate Scholarships 2025 in South Korea offer over 300 fully funded opportunities for master's and PhD programs at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST. This prestigious scholarship covers all expenses, with no IELTS requirement, although there is an application fee. Master's programs last 2 years, while PhD programs extend for 3 years. The application deadline for spring admission is September 12, 2024. The University of Turin Scholarships 2024 in Italy offer fully funded opportunities for bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees. This scholarship covers all expenses and requires no application fee or IELTS scores. The duration is 4 years for bachelor's programs, 2 years for master's programs, and 3 to 4 years for PhD programs. The application deadline is September 9, 2024. The Belgium Government Aries Scholarship 2025 offers fully funded opportunities for undergraduate, master's, and training programs. Hosted by Aries, this scholarship is available to students from eligible countries across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. It covers all expenses with no application fee or IELTS requirement. Scholarships are available for 4 years for undergraduate degrees, 1 year for master's degrees, and 4 to 6 months for internship or training programs. There are 220 scholarships in total, with an application deadline of October 18, 2024. The Eastern Mediterranean University in Turkey is offering 200 fully funded scholarships for master's and PhD programs. This scholarship provides full financial support with no application fee or IELTS requirement. The duration is 1 to 2 years for master's degrees and 3 to 5 years for PhD degrees. Applications are due by September 16, 2024. Here are some more exciting scholarship opportunities for you. KMU Taiwan Scholarships 2025. NTUST Scholarships 2025. Heinrich Boll Foundation Scholarships 2024-2025. Dia Need-Based Scholarship 2024-25. Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Scholarship 2025. National Tsinghua University Scholarships 2025. Schwarzman Scholars 2024-2025. You can check their scholarship summary, and for scholarship details, simply click on More Details for each scholarship. At the end of each scholarship page, you'll find an online application video guide to help you through the process and avoid any mistakes. That's all for today. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care. Love you all.